Hello everyone, my name is Michi Staub. Today I'm going to show you how to handle Vaporex Seal. When renovating balconies, ALSAN Vaporex Seal is a quick and simple solution for water retaining old surfaces. When renovating an area, for example a balcony, ALSAN Vaporex Seal enables steam and the associated steam pressure to be diverted across the mat structure and into the covered border area. During this stage, the surface is also given a new seal. We're now going to lay the Vaporex Seal. Make sure that the joints are not displaced. We're now going to lay the Vaporex Seal in the ALSAN 170 primer. Don't forget to prime the edges. In the area of the steam release, the Vaporex Seal is stuck on with ALSAN 074 putty. The putty is applied in strips to the Vaporex Seal. On the surface, the joints are primed with ALSAN 074. Don't push the putty too far down towards the bottom, otherwise the steam release will no longer function reliably. Cover the transition from the surface to the edges with duct tape. Now, connect the mats from the surface to the edge with ALSAN 770 TX and fleece. Treat all joints with ALSAN 770 TX and fleece. Add the ALSAN 870 RS self-leveling mortar in 2 layers. The first layer is a leveling layer. The second is a scattering layer. The surface is sealed with ALSAN 970F. It is applied on the surface using a smoothing trowel and at the edges using a roller.